Every extraordinary automobile begins long before it touches the road. It begins with an uncompromising vision, where precision, innovation, and craftsmanship unite to create something truly exceptional. Inside this state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, thousands of skilled professionals and advanced robotic systems work together in perfect harmony. Every movement is calculated, every measurement is exact, every detail matters. The journey starts with premium aluminum and high-strength steel. Massive laser cutting machines shape raw materials with microscopic precision, while powerful hydraulic presses transform flat metal into elegant body panels destined to become part of a luxury masterpiece. Next comes one of the most critical stages of production. Hundreds of synchronized robotic arms assemble the vehicle's body structure with incredible accuracy. Thousands of precision welds create a frame engineered for strength, safety, and refinement. Once the body is complete, every weld is carefully inspected by expert technicians. Nothing is left to chance. Perfection is the only acceptable standard. The vehicle then enters an advanced preparation process. Every surface is cleaned, treated against corrosion, and carefully prepared for one of the most demanding paint operations in the automotive industry. Layer after layer, robotic paint systems apply flawless coatings with incredible consistency. The final protective finish creates a deep, mirror-like shine that reflects both light and craftsmanship. But true luxury extends far beyond appearance. Now the heart of the automobile begins to take shape. The suspension, drivetrain, and powertrain are installed with remarkable precision. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications. Every electrical connection is carefully verified. Inside the cabin, master craftsmen transform engineering into luxury. Hand-finished leather, polished wood, premium materials, and advanced technology combine to create an environment designed for absolute comfort and elegance. Each door, every piece of glass, every wheel, and every interior component is installed with meticulous attention to detail. This is not simply manufacturing, it is craftsmanship on an industrial scale. Before leaving the factory, the vehicle undergoes one final challenge. Advanced diagnostic systems analyze every electronic function. Precision laser equipment verifies wheel alignment. Water testing ensures complete sealing. Performance testing confirms that every system operates exactly as designed. Even the smallest imperfection is unacceptable. Finally, skilled specialists perform a last-hand inspection, polishing every surface until the finish reaches perfection. The engine comes to life for the very first time. Months of engineering, thousands of individual components, and countless hours of dedication now become one complete luxury automobile. The factory doors slowly open. Sunlight fills the production hall as the finished masterpiece makes its very first journey beyond the assembly line. What began as raw metal has become an extraordinary symbol of engineering excellence, timeless craftsmanship, and human innovation. This is more than the creation of a luxury automobile. This is the birth of a masterpiece,